Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm here with my friend Jason, who has never resin painted before. And we're going to do a really fun project today. So just real quick on the materials, we're using Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. And then color-wise, we're using several of the Alumilite dyes. We've got white, black, red, and the violet. Okay, and then we also have some mica powders. So I'm using the Alumilite Gold Metallic Powder and Stone Coat Countertops Gold Dust Metallic Powder. And in the red dye, I have mixed a little bit of Stone Coat Countertops Dark Red Metallics. All right, we're also using this 18-inch black alu rim. So this is from craftshopmetals.com. I will post all the materials in the description. Definitely check these guys out if you haven't. And they have just the coolest stuff in the world. So we're going to get started.
Cool.
Do you have any thoughts? We're kind of going for like a geode. I say we just...
I have no thoughts.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just get in there.
So here, you get in here with some purple.
Okay.
So what I like to do is kind of geodes have lines, right? Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Man, that's gummy.
So this is the red. It's the red dye with, like I said, a little bit of the metallic.
That's so cool looking already.
I know. Done. Okay, I will go a little over here.
Yeah.
Okay. And we can come back in with that. So maybe
that's
go...
so cool.
Along the sides with the purple.
Okay, what was your technique? Just fingers on the stick?
Yeah.
Slowly?
Yeah.
Just kind of along the lines?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my hand is shaky.
That's okay.
Oh, no.
If you want to put a little space between them too, that's okay, because the resin will move.
Okay. Oh, I touched it.
First time resin user.
Yeah.
Now this purple is, here, let's think about it.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Is translucent. So because we have a black background here.
So you're going to have like some black coming behind it?
So what I'm thinking possibly is we can kind of end up doing, like getting in there with a little bit of the white. And that should bring out some of the purple. That's kind of my thought.
Cool, okay.
But I don't know. Let's get some of our texture in there.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to use this is just some black sand. And then we also have Stone Coat Countertops Copper Canyon Mica Flakes, which we're going to use.
So cool.
So for this, we'll put some clear down in here.
So this is the same as the other stuff, just no colors in it?
Yeah, so just clear. And then we're going to pour some sand.
What?
Yep. That's killer.
Ooh.
All right, now because we don't want sand everywhere, got the red. So let's get in here. I do need your opinion on shape. So we can have kind of a line here, or we could also, I was thinking maybe even doing kind of a V.
Yeah, let's V it up.
Yeah, you think? Okay, so get some clear.
Okay.
And then add like a V down here, so maybe like this, you think?
We're like over here?
Yeah.
Okay. So same as before?
Yeah.
Okay. Something like that maybe?
Yeah, I think that'll be great.
Cool. Kind of veer off on the side. Yeah, that's good. Is this actual black sand? What is this?
I don't know. I think
okay.
I got it from the dollar store, as I do most of my things that I use. Just kidding.
So cool.
Yeah, I think I was looking for regular sand one day, or I don't know. Actually, this might be from Michael's, come to think of it. I think that I used to use this in a lot of mixed media projects.
It's cool. It looks kind of like gunpowder a little bit.
Yeah, it does. Okay, excellent. So let's start getting in here with a little more colors.
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to let you hit the gold.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Yeah, just go with it. Just kind of look at how our flow line is going.
Okay.
So I'm going to actually get in here with a little red right up against
Are we staying on the inside?
You can go on either side. So you can go here. You can put some in here if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
You can go over here.
Okay.
And then we'll also want to fill in here.
Wow, like a little spot. Okay.
Yeah. Just have fun with it.
Okay.
No rules. And we have the black. I'm gonna start getting in here with some black.
I keep dipping the back of the cup in other colors.
Whoops. That's okay. It does take a little practice.
Sure does.
A mixed media girl can sort of fix anything.
What's that?
Let's go in like lines the whole way.
Whole way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to do thin lines if possible. I know it's a little tricky. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah? A little thinner?
Yeah. You got this. You got this.
It's like making weird pancakes.
So once again, Jason's first time doing resin.
Never touched it before.
So this is pretty good.
Kind of cool with the dots.
Yeah.
Should I connect this or just leave that?
Yeah, I would.
Connect it.
I'm going to get in here. This is the purple.
Whoa.
And then we'll kind of use the white at the end for some accents. See some more
I went a little nuts there. That's too gloopy.
That's okay. The good thing is we have different colors to break things up with.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
see, the purple and the black almost look the same.
Yeah,
there.
you're right. Wow.
But once we get in there with some white, I think it'll be fine.
Cool.
Let's see.
And what is this? Is made of aluminum?
Yeah, but it's a special aluminum, so it's not just like, it's not a pizza pan, you guys. Trust me. It's designed specifically for artists, so it won't warp, it won't rust.
Whoa.
Like it's designed for art.
That's amazing.
And it's American made. Great company. I've gotten to know them a bit. Super cool people. I'm getting here. So we're just kind of filling in a lot of spots, and then we'll be able to... Here, why don't you do some more red?
More red?
Yeah. We'll be able to hit it with some heat in just a little bit.
Okay, where should I go with this?
Right over there.
On the side?
Yeah.
This is going to be the thinnest line.
Oh, yeah? I have my doubts, but... Just kidding. Oh, wow. That is really thin.
What did I say?
Oh.
What did I say? Thinnest line you'll ever
I
see.
stand corrected.
Then go a little thicker. Is your hand super shaky too?
No.
Oh. Am I okay?
I don't think you've eaten today,
That's probably a good
to
point.
be honest.
Yeah.
So I think that's probably more or less your problem. I can't say for sure.
You heard it here, folks.
I'm not a doctor,
I'm not a doctor, but eat food.
not a scientist.
There's a little bit of red left. What do you think? Does that look good?
I think...
It's a little thin right there.
I mean, that's okay.
That's
Do you
okay.
want to... Do you think we should accent something over here?
Yup.
Okay, get in there. Do it.
Oh.
Don't forget, we still have the gold flakes, and we can use a little more sand to accent if we want also.
Okay. Kind of like a...
Kind of endless options here.
Okay, okay. Is the idea to fill in all the spots?
More or less. We can move it around.
Okay.
So we're going to be moving around in just a second. So it doesn't have to be completely filled in.
That's a cool idea right there, the gold.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. And I think I'm going to just move this black around real quick.
Ooh, getting in there.
And then also throw a little gold over here.
Even though I'm wearing gloves, I feel like I can't touch it. I shouldn't touch
totally can.
it. Ah! Oh, that's probably gonna be the best part right there.
All right. So what should we do with that spot? Your
Good
thoughts?
question. How about, we've got gold there and we've got red there, so no gold or red.
The purple definitely is pretty hidden here.
Yeah, it's true. Well, do you want to do more purple here?
I think we're out of purple, actually.
Or are we out of purple?
Yeah.
Well, I've got a little bit of red left, but then that might turn into too much red right here.
We do have some white.
Just like a spot of white.
Well, let's try it.
Ooh, yeah, there we go.
Why not?
Are you totally out of purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. It's hard. So this is purple and this is black. I know it's really
You're
hard
right.
to tell.
It is hard to tell.
But my idea too is to, like I said, use the white for some accents.
Maybe it'll pop out a bit. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's get in there with the heat gun.
Oh.
Because once we start moving this around, and I really like that. What do you think?
I think this is really cool.
Yeah.
I'm really curious how that texture in the middle is going to look.
I know, right? Okay. So I'm using my Amtake heat gun. Got it from Amazon. You can find it in the description in my materials. Here we go. All right.
So cool looking.
There's a few spots here that I'm not super happy with. I'm going to tilt slightly.
This is cool that it's got the lip.
Yeah. So it kind of holds everything in. Okay. So this is going to bug me, I think.
This gold chunk?
Yeah. So I need to break that up a little bit.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. I'm pretty sure you did that.
Mm-hmm. Totes.
Oh, that's so cool. I love the just kind of wispy thin right there.
Yeah, I like that.
This is awesome.
Okay, let's do a little bit.
Ooh, what?
Yeah, we just need to break that up. Hmm. And then also this white down here is a little too much for me.
This down here?
I think I might be able to scrape a little purple out to get in
See, I
there.
felt like that's what it needed. There we go. That's going to change everything.
He's so optimistic. Okay. Now I say we get in there with some of the gold flakes.
Yeah.
Okay. That will also it can help break up some things.
Just avoid that spot.
Yeah, well, or not, you
Or
know.
not.
Let's see.
Ooh.
Because it can actually kind of hide a little bit of it.
How do those stay to it? Does it like fuse to the thing?
Yeah, and then you just usually put some clear resin on the top.
That makes sense.
I'm gonna put some over here. Let's see, where
That's
else?
cool.
What do you think? Over here?
Yeah. Exactly right there. Yeah.
Kind of create a little bit of a line there.
That's so cool.
I think I'm actually I'm gonna go all the way.
Oh, all the way across?
She's going the distance.
Oh.
Yep. There we go.
So cool.
I love this.
This is
fun.
really cool looking.
All right, what else?
This is like my favorite part right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
That's so cool.
Okay.
That was a great idea with the white and the purple.
A little in here. This will also continue to move as it dries.
So when you hit it with the heat gun, what is it actually doing? Is it melting it? Is it just heating it up so it fuses together?
So heat with resin makes it more liquid.
Oh, so it's the opposite. I thought it was hardening it.
No, it makes it liquid. So, like you could tilt a resin board that the resin's cold and it will barely move, and then you apply some heat and then you tilt it and it's like water.
Whoa.
Just like, whee!
Okay.
You know?
Now, what is resin? What is it? Is it
It's like a liquid plastic.
liquid plastic?
Yeah. And then it hardens like glass almost.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so really durable. This is the Art Coat from Stone Coat Countertop, so it has actually UV protection. So the color should stay the same for as long as possible.
No sunburns.
Yeah, exactly.
That's cool.
All right. I think we're about done here, but do you think we need to add anything else?
I can't imagine what else to add to it. I'm really curious about this middle line. It's so chunky. I really like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is great.
Okay, good. So I think we'll leave it alone. I'm just gonna, just because I have some empty space over here, I'm gonna scrape out a little more black and just throw it there. But I will be putting a clear layer of resin on here, so it actually doesn't really matter. I'm just, since I have the resin, might as well use it, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And then we'll bring y'all in for a close-up. So how was your first resin experience? How easy was it to use that?
It was not difficult at all. I think my problem is if I would have eaten beforehand and I had steadier fingers, then maybe I'd be a little bit more, like, more precise with some of the lines. But like you were saying, since there's not specific rules,
yeah,
it's not like I messed it up too bad.
No, you really can't. I know I said I'm done, but now I'm done. Let's walk away.
Yeah.
There's just kind of a big black spot there.
Yeah, there was. Oh, this is cool.
All right, guys, going in for the close-up. So lots of fun textures here. You can see the sand and the gold flakes in there. Yeah, purple may not have been the most logical color to use here, at least not that specific purple, but I think it worked out okay. This is just a really fun piece. Gold with black is always amazing. Like, that part is just awesome. And this particular gold is really cool because it sits on the top. So there you go. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like the outcome. It's a bit different in terms of kind of the colors that I normally use, a little more dark and ominous. And I will see you all next time. Woo! Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how this looks the next day because it does move around a bit. So I think it looks pretty awesome. I did do a tiny bit more work to it after the video yesterday. So I added a little sand in here and I fixed up some of these lines a little bit. So there you go. It still needs the final resin layer. I might also do just a little bit more work to it. The fun thing about resin is you can layer and layer and layer. So we'll see. I'm going to think on it a bit. But I hope you guys like this. See you next time.